What's up, pool owners and pool fans? It's Josh Mel, the voice with Swimming Pool Science, and today we're going to check out a sweet pool on the west face of Camelback Mountain here in the Arcadia region of Phoenix, Arizona. And I'm with the man, the myth, the legend, Mr. Kenny Mall, my uncle. Just happened to taught me everything I know, so let's go check out this sweet mountainside pool. So guys, just one question. How is the view from your office window today? I gotta say, mine isn't too bad. This jewel of a pool spa combo sits at approximately 18,000 gallons. With dual main drains and a Caretaker 99 in-floor system, this thing stays clean. A dehumidifier ensures that atmospheric conditions stay optimal even when the windows and skylights are closed. The incredible blue pool finish really sets itself off nicely against the precision-laid travertine stone deck and the waterline tile. The lighting? Well, those are Pentair spa lights, 2 in the pool on each end and 1 in the spa. Incredible views wait just outside the patio doors. The retractable skylight and numerous windows and doors that can be opened at a moment's notice allow the owners to really open up the room and take advantage of the beautiful weather that we experience here throughout the fall, spring, and winter months. The water feature, constructed out of naturally locally sourced granite stone, along with the live plants and mural on the back wall, really lend a sense of depth to the pool house. While the equipment room is clean, it's very compact, which means a lot of stuff has to go in. Keep in mind there's no spillover from the pool to the spa, so separate automatic water levelers are necessary for each. The filter, that's a Jandy DE 60 square foot. The pumps, also Jandy, each of them 2 horse, 1 for the filter and 1 for the therapy jets and water features. The whole system is run with an Aqualink RS system, and a Stay Right MaxiTherm 400,000 BTU heater keeps the temperature dialed in. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out that really cool mountainside indoor swimming pool here in the heart of Phoenix. We're done. We're heading off to Z's Greek to get some lunch. Guys, we'll catch you on the next video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed it, we'd love to hear your feedback. And shoot us a comment. Talk to you later, guys.
I am stopping. The ball's doing it.
Stop!